Omega-6 fatty acids are a key component of a healthy diet. They're found in many nutritious foods like nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils. Omega-6 fatty acids are polyunsaturated fats found in a variety of foods. Linoleic acid, often notated as 18-2, is one of the most common forms. Other types include arachidonic acid, 20-4, and gamma-linolenic acid, 18-3. They are considered essential fatty acids because your body needs them to function properly but is unable to produce them on its own. That means you must obtain them from foods. Getting a variety of these fats in a proper balance supports overall health, and this video explains how to accomplish that. Tofu. Tofu is made by coagulating soy milk and pressing the soy curds to form soft blocks. Each serving provides a hearty dose of several key nutrients, including protein, iron, calcium, and manganese. Try adding tofu to your weekly meal rotation by whipping up a tofu scramble, sprinkling it over salads, or swapping it in for meat in your main courses. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are the nutritious seeds harvested from the head of the sunflower plant. They're especially high in important vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E and selenium, both of which act as antioxidants that protect against cell damage, inflammation, and chronic disease. With their nutty flavor and tender yet crunchy texture, sunflower seeds make a great addition to trail mix, granola bars, baked goods, and casseroles. Walnuts. Walnuts are a popular type of tree nut that's jam-packed with important nutrients like fiber and minerals, including manganese, copper, phosphorus, and magnesium. Walnuts can be enjoyed on their own for a nutritious snack, or sprinkled over salads, yogurt, or oatmeal to boost the nutritional content of these meals. Safflower oil. Safflower oil is a common cooking oil extracted from the seeds of the safflower plant. Like other vegetable oils, safflower oil is high in monounsaturated fat, which is a type of fatty acid that may help improve heart. Safflower oil has a neutral flavor, which makes it great to use in stir-fries, baked goods, salad dressings, and sauces. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is a creamy spread made from roasted peanuts. It's not only rich in healthy fats and protein, but also loaded with key nutrients like niacin, manganese, vitamin E, and magnesium. Plus, it's versatile and easy to enjoy. Try using it as a dip for fruits and veggies, blending it into smoothies, or adding a scoop to your favorite desserts. Avocado oil. Avocado oil is a cooking oil produced from avocado pulp. In addition to being high in antioxidants, animal studies have found that avocado oil may improve heart health by reducing cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Avocado oil also has a high smoke point, which means that it withstands high temperatures without breaking down or oxidizing. This makes it ideal for high-heat cooking methods, such as baking, roasting, sautéing, and frying. Almonds. Almonds are a common type of tree nut that's native to the Middle East but now cultivated around the globe. They're a great source of protein and fiber, along with vitamin E, manganese, and magnesium. Although almonds make a satisfying snack on their own, you can try roasting them and adding them to a food processor to make smooth and creamy almond butter. Eggs. Eggs can be a delicious, nutritious, and versatile addition to your diet, as they're packed with an array of important nutrients like protein, selenium, and riboflavin. Although they're often enjoyed scrambled, fried, or boiled, they can also be added to breakfast burritos, sandwiches, casseroles, and salads to mix up your meals. Cashews. Cashews are a type of nut notable for their buttery flavor and unique shape. Each serving is rich in micronutrients, including copper, magnesium, and phosphorus. One popular way to use cashews is to make them into cashew cream by soaking them overnight and pureeing them in a food processor. Cashew cream is perfect for boosting the flavor, texture, and nutrient profile of salad dressings, sauces, and soups.
That's it for today. Check out the channel for more health and weight loss content. You can also purchase our weight loss course. And please, like and subscribe to be notified of our next tip. See you next time.